My dear friends, the gospel just proclaimed speaks about the cold reception and the obstinacy of heart that often meet the person and message of Christ. Why is that? Because we human beings are so dead set on becoming successful, many times we let the call to be faithful to God go down the drain. We easily become at home with systems of values and hierarchies of priorities that cater to our whimsical and capricious wants, even if these are inimical to the gospel and inimical to the message of salvation. Many times, my dear friends, we turn a blind eye to the clear message of the gospel, to the clear signs of the times that require self-forgetfulness and self-sacrifice, because we are so habituated to convenience and comfort. We allow the hard truths of Christianity to fall on deaf ears simply because these entail the way of the cross. My dear friends, it is not enough to bear the name Christian by virtue of baptism. Our lives, the way we live, the way we love, must manifest such dignity. It should show in our choices, in our decisions, in our courses of action. There's no question. We belong to God. Whether we acknowledge it or not, all of us belong to God. For the simple reason that God is our creator. There's no question about that. But there is something that God desires from us. What's that? That we choose to actively belong to Him. I would like to emphasize that we belong to God, that's a fact, whether we recognize it or not. But God desires that we choose to be active, to actively belong to Him. How? By listening to His words and by acting on them. The moment we do that, we don't only belong to God in fact, but also by choice. Matthew 7:24 to 29.